Hey guys, it's your girl Kalia, and today I want to show you the turmeric face mask that I use. I'm gonna give you the recipe and then I'm gonna let you know the results that I get, how long it takes for me to see results. So I want to get into why I chose these ingredients. The first ingredient that I have is honey. And honey is a humectant that helps the skin absorb and retain moisture. It also provides antioxidant and antimicrobial properties which help protect the skin. Next I have turmeric, and turmeric is an anti-inflammatory and antibacterial that combats acne causing bacteria, clogged pores, and it fades acne scars. Next, I will be adding an egg, which eggs provide hydration, elasticity, and protein that helps repair tissue and it keeps the skin firm. This helps tighten the skin and remove excess oil. And also I use lime because it cleans your pores, removes excess oil, which helps to prevent you from getting acne and blackheads. Limes also have bleaching properties, which help to lighten the acne and even out your skin tone. And finally, I will be using aloe vera plant because it helps to soothe the skin, it adds moisture, fights acne, prevents and fights dark spots, and slows signs of aging. Now you're just gonna need a bowl, a spoon, and a fork in order to mix all of your ingredients. So I went off camera and now I have my egg ready in my bowl. I also cut up my aloe vera plant, as you can see. And I like to use at least 1 inch in width of aloe vera plant. If you want a specific measure, you can always use more, but about 1 inch usually works out for me. This is how much I use of turmeric. This is how much I'm gonna use of honey. And lastly, I'll just add the entire half of lime. Now I'm gonna use my fork to blend everything together. Of course, you can put this in the blender and get similar results, but I prefer it this way because it's less runny and easier to apply. So about this face mask, what I've seen is that it does work. Your skin will start to improve. It will fade your scars if you have any, and it can remove some wrinkles. It does work slowly though. You're gonna have to be patient. Use it every day for at least half an hour or an hour if you really want to see results faster. And after about 2 weeks, you can start to see your skin changing and getting a much more even skin tone. What I like the most about this mask is that even though it's slow to show results, it's consistent. You will continue to see improvement and it doesn't cause any dryness or irritation to the skin. Also, you can find these ingredients for a very cheap price at the store. You may even have some of these ingredients in your house, so it's not costly. And you can use this as a full body skin mask also. It can help to smooth out your skin. So even if you don't have any acne, if you just want to brighten and smooth out your skin with this mask, it will give you great results. Another way you can apply this mask is by putting some of the mask on a napkin and then putting it on your skin. Like I said, sometimes the consistency can be a bit runny, so if you're having that trouble, then you can apply it this way. Especially for those of you who opted to blend the ingredients, this will be very helpful. As you can see, there's still clumps of aloe vera and that would be what stays on your skin, but if I would have used the blender, this would have been completely liquid. So whatever you opt to do, you can always apply it with a tissue and it will stay in place. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.